When you sign up for ClickFunnels, you often get some amazing bonuses to help you succeed faster. These extra tools and trainings make it easier to build your funnels, get traffic, and grow your business. Here's a list of the best ClickFunnels bonuses you might get. ClickFunnels bonuses, most common and helpful. 1. Done-for-you funnels. Pre-built funnels ready to import, includes opt-in pages, sales pages, webinar funnels, and more, saves time and helps you launch faster. 2. Email swipe files. Ready-to-use email templates, includes welcome emails, follow-ups, product launches, and sales sequences, just copy, paste, and customize. 3. Free funnel strategy call. A one-on-one session with a funnel expert, personalized advice, and funnel planning, great for beginners or business owners who need direction. 4. Traffic training. Tutorials on how to get traffic to your funnels, covers both paid and free methods, Facebook ads, SEO, YouTube, etc., includes ad templates and targeting tips. 5. Access to private Facebook group or mastermind. Join a support group of funnel builders, get feedback, tips, and motivation, sometimes includes live coaching sessions. 6. Funnel Scripts trial or access. A tool that helps you write high-converting sales copy, includes templates for headlines, emails, webinars, and more, often included as a trial or limited-time bonus. 7. Affiliate marketing training. Learn how to promote ClickFunnels and earn commissions, comes with affiliate funnel templates and email sequences, perfect for digital marketers and side hustlers. 8. Course or membership site setup. Help with setting up your online course or member area in ClickFunnels, includes layout templates and content structure tips, great for coaches, educators, and digital product creators. 9. Bonus video tutorials. Extra training on funnel design, lead generation, and automation, often includes over-the-shoulder walkthroughs, easy to follow, even for beginners. 10. Special bonuses from Russell Brunson, limited-time offers. Access to exclusive workshops or challenges, free tickets to Funnel Hacking Live, occasionally, extra tools or software for signing up during special events.